Loki Basecamp Falcon. Not only is this camper outfitted to the hilt with the most cutting-edge technology available, but it also has a pristine appearance on the inside and outside. It can be transported in the back of a regular pickup truck. The trailer comes in different styles for different cars. Each model is a small apartment that has a shower, a kitchen, and a place to rest and sleep. From a heating system to a screen, the standard configuration has everything you need for a good night's sleep. You can also live in the trailer all year. Comfort is given by a special insulation system that works in all 4 seasons. Since every model is put together by hand, the parameters can be changed. For example, one model weighs 3,000 pounds and has a headroom of 76 inches. The tailgate of the truck doesn't need to be taken off because of its strange shape. That is very smart. As you can see, the model is named after a Scandinavian god for a good reason. Kono S-Lite. The people who made this emergency signal say that making money is not the most important thing when it comes to things that save lives. First, the gadgets will be interesting to people who drive. It lets them tell other drivers that there is a broken down car on the road. It works for up to 120 minutes, can be seen up to 660 feet away, and is waterproof. It can be attached to the car because it has a magnetic base and a flexible bracket, putting it higher up and making it even more visible. There are different ways to use it, like the classic stop sign and the word help. A AAA battery is used to power the device. Ryobi Water Broom. People who like to keep their cars clean will love this. Here's a tool that will finally help you clean up all the dust and dirt that has gathered on your car's undercarriage. This water broom can be used with attachments for high-pressure washers that can reach up to 3,300 pounds per square inch of pressure. Even though the water broom is only 11 inches wide, the system lets you change the angle very precisely. Because of how well it is made, it can also be used for other things, like watering or cleaning walkways. The people who made it say that anyone who wants to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying the great outdoors needs to have this. UnderCover SwingCase. Many people who own pickup trucks are familiar with this problem. The wheel arches get in the way of the boxes. Because of this, there is often unused space on the sides of the truck. So why not make boxes with this strange shape? The company that makes the crates say that they are flexible and can hold up to 75 pounds. They are held in place by special hinges and can be turned 180 degrees. Because the boxes are made of ABS plastic, they only weigh 1.25 pounds each. They don't get in the way of moving the tailgate or putting on different types of truck bed covers, even hard ones. Multiparker 760. Why bother with complicated maneuvers when you can just rely on robots to navigate underground parking lots? This automatic system can be used in parking lots with 40 spaces or more and can park cars without stopping on up to 30 levels. The system can handle cars that weigh up to 5,500 pounds and can be set up to work with the way the parking zones are set up. Each level works on its own, with special shuttles moving the cars. The makers say that this option is safer for drivers and less likely to lead to damage, theft, or vandalism. Also, lighting and ventilation don't have to be set up for the system to work, which saves a lot of money. Eastwood Fender Roller. This tool is very useful and can make work on wheel arches easier and faster. It connects to the hub flange and helps fix damage to the arch by getting rid of things like dents or making the arch bigger. The tool can be attached with either 4 or 5 bolts, so it can be used with many popular car models. The telescoping arm makes it possible to make precise adjustments. The company that makes the tool say that if it is used correctly, it can even help solve the problem of tires wearing down. This is a really useful invention that doesn't even need electricity. Mad ramps. With these crazy ramps, you can quickly and easily make the back of a pickup truck bigger, so you can carry all kinds of things. They are easy for one person to put together, and the most basic model can carry ATVs, mini buggies, and other things that weigh up to 1,400 pounds. About 16 square feet are set aside for the extra loading area. The main benefit of this solution is that you don't have to spend a lot of money on a trailer to move your units. It's also easy to keep up with and safe to drive because it has lights and turn signals. The design turned out to be so good that it has been approved in all 50 US states. Rennstand by SafeJack. The people who came up with this idea wanted to make it easier to lift a car with a jack. It makes the work safer and gives you a good grip on a car that weighs up to 6,614 pounds. When folded, the structure weighs only 14 pounds and fits easily in the trunk. The lift height can be changed from 11.5 inches to 16.5 inches. The people who made this system are sure that it keeps cars from getting damaged by accident. However, they warn that common sense and care are not built into this product, so don't get too comfortable. Ironton Truck Service Step. This step, which attaches directly to the wheel, will make fixing, loading, and other duties easier to complete if your car is too high and you can't readily get to the engine or the cargo bed. It can hold up to 300 pounds and works with a wide range of car and truck models. The non-slip surface is safe to walk on because it can be adjusted for width and height. The step is made of steel and takes up very little space in the trunk when it is folded up. This step makes it much easier to wash your car, and it has been tried and tested by many users. Heininger BedRack Elite. How do you put your two-wheeled friend in the back of a pickup truck? This is a question that many cyclists have asked. There is a way out. This holder will help you move up to 4 bikes in a safe way. One of the best things about this device is that it can be put together quickly without having to drill anything. Once everything is put together, all you have to do is move the stops and you're ready to load. The rack's width can be changed from 52 to 68 inches, and the mounts can hold bikes with wheels up to 29 inches in diameter and tires up to 4 inches wide. The wheels are attached to the bikes in 2 places. This makes sure that the bikes are stable even on roads with bumps. Hankook iFlex. The good news for drivers whose tires get punctured regularly is that there is a new solution. South Korean engineers have made a tire that doesn't need to be filled with air. Biomimetic technologies, which use the properties of different natural things, are one of the keys to development. In particular, the cellular structure of living things was a big inspiration for the authors, which is why the book is made up of many layers of interlocking spokes. The working prototype is not very big. It has a diameter of 15.8 inches and a width of 4.1 inches. But engineers have already put these wheels on a smart platform that can be put together in different ways. So the idea works fine. But if flying car technology keeps getting better, will cars of the future need tires? Footwell water tank. There is a lot of space behind the front seats of many cars. Why not put something useful like this water tank there instead? This model holds 10.6 gallons, is made of polyethylene that is safe for food and is easy to set up. You can put your feet on the top part without fear. It's strong enough and has a guard to keep it safe. Both sides of the 11-pound tank have fittings that make it easy to connect hoses. But the people who made it say that they haven't tested the tank under pressure, so the water will only come out when it falls. Do you think this is a good idea? Or do you think it would be better to just bring along some regular canisters? ProLift C-2036D. Car maintenance can be a very boring job, especially if you have to kneel, squat, or work in other uncomfortable ways. So this transformer that combines a seat and a creeper was made to help people who own cars. The product is made with a 36-inch steel frame and can hold up to 300 pounds. The design with 6 wheels is easy to use and very useful. For example, to turn it from a seat into a creeper, you just have to take out the pin. The vinyl lining makes the seat and headrest easy to clean and long-lasting. This 2-in-1 tool weighs a total of 13.9 pounds. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons.